Welcome to October 2020, and we're going to do a quick update on the camper. So, the solar panel is on. General paint job is done. A lot of those cracks and stuff, I know it's going to be impossible to see, but they're all gone after we did this last coat. If there's a couple little left, this still needs one more coat of paint, which may not happen this year, but that's fine. But this is it. Propane tank is tied down. Everything's ready to go. All the lighting's done. The back lights. I did all that stuff. Yeah, it all should be good. We gotta hook it up to the truck, make sure it's alright. We're gonna go inside real quick. This thing's watertight. It's a little wet from my shoes in here. So I just wanted to give an update, and I'm going to include a little segment of what this looked like a couple days ago. We just threw up all the walls, did a quick coat of paint. Everything is usable at this point. The only thing that's not really hooked up is the sink. Heat's hooked up. We got this guy, so we can get in there. We haven't decided what we're doing. We may put a shelf in here, but this is basically so we can get to the line as we need it. Nothing's really finalized with that. We're not totally sure, but functional is all we're going for right now. These are done. These are little cubbies underneath here. That's just a little battery powered light. This is the bed. It's a 4-foot wide bed. This piece pushes back, this piece flips down and hooks onto the edge, so you have a big spot there. The second bed, which we haven't figured out the details, goes right here. Details being, where are we storing it? I don't know yet. So it's probably going to get rolled up and tucked away somewhere. We were going to have cabinets up here. For now, we're not doing it, but this might all happen during the winter. I mean, you can see how great it is outside, so, I mean, who knows what this winter's going to bring. Let's see. So, I got to finish the sink. I got to put in, I have the actual faucet. What we're going to do is we're going to put 2 holes in the side here. Not sure where the things are right now, but they're in here somewhere. There's going to be an out and an in, and what it's going to be is outside there's going to be a jug. You just put your tube into the jug. The pump is going to go somewhere in here, maybe probably on this or on there or on there. The switch will be on this wall here. You flip the switch, turns the water pump on. This is the wiring for the water pump. I ran it, I just didn't, this is the only electrical thing I haven't gotten a chance to finish up yet. So that will be on a switch, so it'll turn the pump on, it'll suck water up, go into the sink, it'll come back out and go out this way. This may just have to be twisted so it goes outwards, but it's just going to be an outlet and an inlet, and as long as you don't hook it up backwards, you'll be good to go. Solar panel's in. Solar panel just runs from the panel, which is up here, just behind this, down to, it comes up on these 2 wires, comes into here. This is the charge controller. These 2 wires go down and out into the battery. This just charges the battery. It doesn't actually, you could use these 2 connections to run power directly off of it, but all my other power runs through the trailer into the back into that, so I have that to charge the battery. Works pretty well. Little things to do, like that's where the power wire is going to go out the side. I got to put that back in. Haven't had a chance to do that. Yeah, what else? We're pretty much set up, ready to go, because we were supposed to be going camping next weekend. We'll see how well that goes. We wanted to get it done enough so we could go and use it. There's still lots and lots to do, but there's going to be a wall here for the bathroom. The portable toilet goes there, obviously, you know. Then, like I say, my bed goes here, that bed flips out. Yeah, so that's that. yeah, everything works. Heater works. All that stuff is ready to go. Thermostat works. Power works. So we're pretty much ready. The only little things, like, we have lots of little detail items to do, like covering up seams and covering up other things. You know, finishing these little corner spots that we haven't enclosed. Another thing eventually we want to do is we want to spray foam in between, so that way it's insulated in here. I don't know when we'll get to that. Probably not this year. But yeah, it's going to be functional. I mean, you could use it as is. I mean, like, we have the propane sensor. Everything's wired. Yeah, so that's that. I just wanted to give you an update. I'll keep updating as we go. Anything like we work on, I'll try to record. But, you know, we rushed to get this thing done as fast as we could. So there's things that got messed up, things that aren't perfect, you know. I know in the last video I talked about the paint issues we were having. Like, we're having little cracking where that the seal seams were that were all sealed. There's nothing anymore. This paint covered all that up. So, yeah, I mean, like, everything works. Yeah, the only things left to do are test the wiring for the lights, all that stuff. That should all be good. I tested it all manually. But yeah, that's it. So, I guess I will see you in the next one. You know, there's still lots of things to do. Hopefully I get a few more videos out of stuff that I have to do. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one.